Metaprompting is one of the most advanced techniques in prompt engineering. It teaches AI how to reflect on its own output, evaluate quality, and improve results in a self-aware way. Instead of just asking for an answer, you're asking the AI to analyze its reasoning and refine it, creating a loop of continuous improvement. At its core, metaprompting means prompting the AI about how to prompt itself. You're helping it think about its own thinking. For example, instead of saying, "Write a blog post about leadership," you can say, "Before writing the blog post, list 3 possible structures and explain which one will be most effective for a business audience." Then write the post using that structure. The AI first reflects, chooses a strategy, and then executes, producing a far stronger result. One of the simplest metaprompting techniques is self-evaluation. After the AI generates an answer, you can say, "Evaluate your previous response. Identify any weaknesses or missing details, then improve the output." This pushes the AI to act as its own editor, improving clarity, tone, and accuracy. Metaprompting also works beautifully in creative and analytical contexts. For example, generate 3 marketing taglines, then critique each one and choose the best. The AI becomes both creator and critic, saving you the time of manually reviewing multiple outputs. For problem solving, metaprompting allows AI to reason more deeply. Try, explain your reasoning step by step, then review your explanation to check for logical errors or missing assumptions. This creates a double layer of reasoning, first generation, then reflection, which leads to more accurate conclusions. Another approach is self-revision loops, where the AI improves outputs over multiple passes. Example, write a 1-paragraph summary of this article, then rewrite it 3 times, making each version clearer and more concise. This technique is ideal for refining written content, ideas, or arguments. Metaprompting can even simulate peer review. You might say, "Generate a research summary," then act as a reviewer and provide constructive feedback. After that, rewrite the summary using your own feedback. This mirrors how human experts review and refine each other's work, but all within a single AI session. You can also use metaprompts for style and tone enhancement. Example, write a motivational paragraph about creativity. Now critique your tone. Does it sound authentic and inspiring? If not, adjust the language until it feels more genuine. This helps the AI align better with human emotion and context. A more advanced variation involves multi-perspective metaprompting. You can ask the AI to simulate different viewpoints to test its own work. For instance, act as a skeptical reader and identify potential weaknesses in this argument. Then switch back to your main role and strengthen your response. This self-dialogue produces depth and balance that's hard to achieve otherwise. In educational or coaching settings, metaprompting can teach reflection skills. You might use, "Give an answer to this question," then explain why that answer is correct and what could make it better. This reinforces critical thinking for both the AI and the learner using it. To get the best results with metaprompting, follow 3 principles: clarity, iteration, and reflection. Be clear about what aspect of the output to review, iterate multiple times, and always ask the AI to explain why it made changes. This transforms it from a generator of answers into a reasoning companion. In short, metaprompting turns AI from a one-step responder into a self-improving collaborator. By guiding it to reflect, critique, and refine, you unlock deeper insight, higher quality, and more creativity. It's not just about what the AI produces, it's about teaching it how to think about how it produces it.